1946 Hudson pickup, Super 6. Been restored meticulously back to original. Even the colors are original colors. It has the original 212 six-cylinder Flathead 6 in it. This is what they considered the air conditioning back in that era. It does have a 3-speed on the tree with a manual overdrive transmission. Everything works. It's has a working clock as well on the dash. As I said, overdrive is a manual. All the gauges work.
The heater down there.
Emergency brake, everything works. It's all in excellent driving condition. Bed restored back to original, all painted as it should be. Truck came from Virginia. I've had it close to a year.
What made you want a Hudson?
I didn't really know that much about them, to be honest with you, but the style of the truck, the fact that it was considered a luxury truck back in this era or this year model, and just the beauty of it is just a beautiful color combination. And I also like the fact that back then you only had to have one tail light.
That's unique.
Yeah, and the shape of it, everybody thinks it's a chop top truck, but it's not. It was that was the original cab. From the cab forward is the same as the cars back in that day. So this was considered a luxury pickup compared to Chevrolet and Ford back in the day. And I'm just very pleased with it. It was the restoration job was immaculate, and the paint and chrome and everything on the truck is just beautiful, and it really catches a lot of people's eyes and attention. And it's won some very prestigious awards. The main goal for me is to get it out and enjoy it, and let other people enjoy it as well. So thank you.
We appreciate it, and make sure to subscribe, follow on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Thank you for taking time.
Thank you.
And I hope you enjoy the show.